happening here.
So we're making salsa with all of the leftover extra tomatoes we have from the garden. I've never made salsa before, but what we've done so far is went through all my tomatoes that I had ripening inside in my boxes with the newspaper. Picked out all these kind. I don't even know what kind these are. They're just regular tomatoes. They seem like the right ones for salsa. And I marked them with an X at the bottom. Put them in some boiling water to blanch them for 60 seconds. And then we put them in an ice water bath, and now the skins are just peeling right off. I sterilized my mason jars to get ready for canning and asked James to pick me up some pickling salt at the store today. This is what we're going to be putting in it. So we've got peppers, onion. These are tiny little peppers that I grew in my garden. These are from our friend's garden, our neighbor's garden. And then we've got some hot jalapeno peppers from my mother-in-law's garden. So it's going to be garden fresh salsa. Start chopping. Maybe a little bit more. Stir.
Hello, Aura.
We can put some fresh cilantro. We can chop it up.
What about chocolate?
It didn't get blended. the next batch of going. Wait, what does it taste like?
It tastes like natural, like grass-fed tomatoes. You can definitely tell it's from you. Yeah, it's just different from most. I can eat a bucket of this stuff and not feel bad about it.